eat off my plate. They wanna eat off me. When I had my vision, couldn't see. I'm off the better things. I'm only doing shit that's gonna make me elevate. Only one people around that's gonna make me better. And that, it's so They ask how I get that, I'm too busy in this money, can this check. My daddy got me down, I promise you I won't let him. But once they fuck that man, this shit won't make me better. Me my bust up before enough, get that letter. Yeah, and I'm like, yeah, fuck everybody, I can't trust nobody. Can't even reach a party, don't invite me to no party. Bitch, pull up in that, it's so They ask how I get that, I'm a hustler, baby. You must not know me, baby. I'm off the better things. I'm only doing shit that's gonna make me elevate.
Hey, it's Kiwi back with a makeup video. So today I'll be using the Morphe 365 Sweet Oasis palette. So I'm gonna start off with doing my brows, but before I do that, I wanna moisturize my face with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Setting Spray. And this is a super fave right now, and this is my second super fave, which is on the top of my list. This is the Nicka 24 Gold Face Primer, and it hydrates and illuminates the face, and I love it so much. Back to my brows. So I am using the Benefits Cosmetics Goof Proof Brow Pencil and the color 3.75. While I'm doing that, I'm just filling in my eyebrows. But I do miss you guys. I want to know how you guys are doing. Please leave it in the chat. How is everybody doing? It's been a rough 2 years, year and a half. So, how's everybody doing? Like, you know. Okay, here I'm using my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in the color Caramel, I believe. As you can see, I'm just sharpening up that eyebrow just to have a clean, fresh look. Okay, now I'm gonna make the other one look identical. Like sisters, you know. There we go. Okay, I did it. Perfecto. Here's my #1 rated baby, the Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer, and I'm going to be prepping my eyelids for the eyeshadow so that I just have a nice base where the pigments will show on my eyeshadow. So you might want to do this when you're recreating this look. You want to use a good eyeshadow base. So, oh yeah, and by the way, this bonnet I'm wearing is on my website, Brown Sugar Kiss, so go copy one. Okay, let's hop into this Morphe palette. I loved it when I seen it. It struck me because the vibrant colors. There's 35 shades, 19 matte shades, and I believe 16 shimmer shades. The first shade I'm gonna dip into is this pink shade, which is called Private Villa. And I'm gonna use that as the base on my eyelids. I'm just gonna punch this color directly onto my eyelids because it is so vibrant and it just struck out to me. And not only because pink is my favorite color now, but it's just doing something to me. As you can see how it picks up. As you can see how it picks up on my skin tone. It's just beautiful. So I'm just gonna place this on both eyelids, and I'm gonna keep blending this color in. The next shade I'm going into is this deep kind of plum color called Picture Perfect, and I'm using this in the crease of my eye just to deepen that sexy pink color and to give it some dimension. As you know, whatever I do to one eyelid, I must do to the other. So that's what I'm doing here. Okay, I'm blending the colors together just so it doesn't look harsh or like just a big pink line in my eye. I want it to blend together, and as you can see, it's going good. So the next color I'm going to go into is a darker purple color called Vineyard Escape. It's like a grape color. And I'm also going to put this in the lower crease, just a little lower beneath the pink transition shade, because I want it to be, it's a transition shade, so it goes from pink, light pink, medium pink, to just dark purple, because I'm creating, you know, a vibe right now. This look is a little bit different from what I'm used to, but I think you guys are gonna love it. So here I'm gonna take my setting spray, as you can see, and I am spraying my brush just so I could get it really flat, because I want to create a little crease under that purple color. And I'm gonna take my time. I know I'm moving pretty fast in the video, but I am taking my time so that it is sharp and that it is clean. So I'm doing somewhat of a slim crease. And then I'm gonna go back in and I'm gonna get this nice blue shade called Infinity Pool. I love that name, Infinity Pool. Like, they have such cute names for all of the shades. And I'm gonna blend the tip of this crease in the Infinity Pool color, and then I'm gonna step into the shimmer shade, which is called Reef Dive. And I'm gonna put it in the inside of my eyelid because I kind of want it to look like, you know, the shimmer is coming into the matte color, which is pretty cute. And I'm gonna go back into that purple Vineyard Escape color just because I lost it a bit. Now here I'm adding my secret ingredient, which is my Glosshadow in the color Sparkle, which is just a clear Glosshadow which has a little bit of sparkles in it. And I know you guys are like, what is she doing? But this is my new technique with my Glosshadow. I'm sorry, my Glosshadow that I have on my website, Brown Sugar Kiss. And I just add it because I love this wet makeup look. Oh my gosh, it's something new, and I will share it with you guys soon, very soon. I've been using my Glosshadow lately and people have been loving it, so I just wanted to show you guys how I utilize it, and in this video you see how I utilize one of my Glosshadow shades. So here I'm using the foundation, which is Fit Me Maybelline in the color 360 Mocha, and I mixed it with a little 315 Soft Honey because, you know, I can't ever find my exact shade because my color changes like within the seasons, so I just mix. Okay, highlighting the high points of my face with the Tarte Shape Tape concealer under my eyes, on my forehead, on my Cupid's bow, and the bridge of my nose, basically, and my chin as well, not to forget my chin. So I'm just blending that in to give me some highlight and to help with the bags under my eyes. I'm gonna take the Airspun powder and I'm gonna brush it away immediately after placing it, just to give me that matte look underneath my eyes and to keep everything in place. I'm using the Black Radiance concealer and contour palette, and I'm not gonna do too much contouring, just a bit. I'm gonna sculpt a little bit around my face and on my cheekbones. So I'm just cleaning up the face with the Airspun and just setting everything. Here's my setting spray again, and it's just giving me that natural glow that I really am looking for. I love a dewy look, even in the winter time. I'm not really a matte girl like that. I mean, sometimes you want to kind of mix the two, matte and glossy, but I'm really the glossy, dewy type of girl. Using the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in the color, I don't really know, it's a yellow color. I think it's yeah, it's a neon yellow color. I'm not exactly sure the name, but I'll put it in the description. So I'm going to be using my lip gloss from my website, Brown Sugar Kiss, and this is the Plum Passion lip gloss. It's very cute. I love it so much. I use it all the time. Check it out on the website, Brown Sugar Kiss. We're on Instagram, Brown Sugar Kiss, BRWN Sugar Kiss. And we're also on Facebook, Brown Sugar Kiss. I'm going to lather my eyelashes with this Anastasia Beverly Hills mascara, just so I can prep for the lashes. The lashes of choice are, of course, Ardell Textured eyelashes. I really like them. They're so cute. They're like kind of mink as well. And stepping back in to just add a little bit more of the Brown Sugar Kiss lip gloss, Plum Passion, and ta-da! So let's get ready. Okay, let's get into this look, ladies. As you can see, I popped those eyebrows, and then we want to go into the eyes. We have like an ombre, glossy, fun, vibrant thing, and then we have that cute pink lip, which is pretty classic and cute, you know, very subtle. Then we have the nice dewy look. Wow, you see that? The dewy foundation. Okay, and that wraps everything up. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you soon, guys.